guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this levitating video edit in CapCut PC. I'll just be using this video, but you don't need to technically jump. I'm just going to remove the background here and I'm just going to replace it because I do want it to like really levitate. So okay, I'll use a different background so you guys can see it. Maybe like this one. I'll use this one. I'm going to mask that because I don't want that to show. There we go. Oh, it's showing a little bit there. Okay, I can't really delete that shadow, so I'm just going to work with it. Okay, I'll just place it there so you guys can't really see it. So here, I'm just going to go where he jumps. I'm just going to add a keyframe here. And then, like right about here, I'm going to freeze frame it, kind of, or slow it down. And I'm going to place him a little bit higher. So it looks like he's really levitating. Then I'm going to go to speed and I'm going to select custom. And the part where he's like up there, like right about here, I'm going to like add a point. I'm just going to make it a little bit faster. And then here at the end, I'm going to make it slower. I'm just going to move it down here. Like so. Hold on, let me just make it a little bit slower. I'm actually just going to remove this one. And I'm going to put it up here. And then I'll put the slow-mo like here. You can also add in smooth slow motion if you'd like to. Oh, I guess the background's going to be back here again. Queued for processing. Should I remove the... I don't know what happened. Oh, there we go. Okay. And if you want to, you do have to have the pro feature for it. You can also go to AI movement and add in soft if you'd like to. And that is it. Obviously, you'd want to use your own video, but I don't have mine. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.